Hey everyone, this is Pritham, and in this video we will see how to run analysis of a model in ETABS. Okay, so as we have completed with this model, as we are working on this model with a G+3 story building, as what are the things we need to do before analysis? The things we need to do before analysis is that is defining part of the section, then modeling part, then we have to proceed with the load pattern as we have defined here with the different types of the load, with the dead load, live load, earthquake load, and the wall loads, wind loads. Okay, just click on OK. Then after we added the load combination, this we have added with the at default design combos. These are taken by the software itself, and we have added our own two combos. Just click on OK. Then after, what to do to run analysis? To the things we need to do for the analysis are present here in this form. Here we can directly run analysis, but before it we have to do some checks. What are they? Here in this menu bar we just go for here to analyze. In analyze there is the first option present of the check model. Here we need to do the check before we run the analysis. Okay, so just click on this check model. After you click on this check model, then a window will open like this of the check model. Here all these detail will be given. Just we have to select all of these details. Okay, and then after we have to check for the model for the two things, that is the length tolerance of the check for 1 mm and the length tolerance for the check for 10 mm. First of all, we will do for the 1 mm check. Just click on 1 mm and select all of this and just click on OK. Then after, you can see here the analysis are being seen, all the things that will be worked here. Then after, you see a warning type message, that is model as checked, no warning message were generated. Means all the details whatever we have added till now are been perfect. Okay, now the one more thing, we the second step we need to do once again for the check model is 10 mm tolerance. So just go to analyze check model. Here a window will open of the check model. Here we have to put the value as the 10 for the length tolerance of the check, and choose all these steps, all these fixes and all that. Just click on OK, and after some time it will give us a warning like model has checked, no warning message were generated. Means our model is perfectly fine. Okay, now the further step, that is the run analysis. For analysis we can directly here is the option present as the run analysis directly here, like the play button, and here in the analysis in the menu bar the main option is present. Here with the menu bar, go to analyze. In it there is the option here as the run analysis. You can directly do it by E of 5 function. Just click on this run analysis, and it will load up something, and it will take some time as per your model. It will take some time. As you see here, as the results are being seen properly here for the analysis, as this is the G+3 story building. Here you can see in the 3D view, the after running analysis, you can see the displacement with respect to dead is being seen in this form, and its values are very low, that is minus of 1.44. Means and when you start analysis, to check this analysis animation, you can see that all these details are being shown here properly. As you see here, the animation is been working on, and you can see that all these details are being seen here. It is a scroller. You can reduce its speed. Okay, and you can also increase its speed. Like this way it works. Okay, just click on the stop animation, and the animation will be stopped with its regular position. And here are some options that it is in the displacement with the dead. You can do it for the displacement in the live also. Just here are the options. When you just click on it, you can see that the displacement in the live is being shown here properly. Then you can see that displacement in the earthquake into X is being shown here. Earthquake in X are being in the form of the 3 steps, it is shown. Okay, same way earthquake in Y is shown. Whatever load patterns you add, the animation is being shown like in that format. Okay, here you can see that the dead and the live are being shown here properly. Like this way the run analysis works. There are basically 3 steps, 3 checks we do for the run analysis. We will be seeing them one by one in the upcoming videos. Okay, that's it for this video.